Reversing diabetes is not just about managing symptoms. It's about addressing the root causes and taking charge of your health with a natural, holistic approach. Diabetes is a condition where the body struggles to manage blood sugar levels effectively, often due to insulin resistance or insufficient insulin production. This leads to various complications, including heart disease, nerve damage, and kidney problems. However, the good news is that with the right lifestyle changes, it is possible to reverse or significantly improve this condition. At the core of this journey lies the powerful synergy of nature and science. Certain herbs like fenugreek and bitter melon have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to improve insulin sensitivity and stabilize blood sugar levels. Fenugreek seeds, for instance, are rich in soluble fiber, which slows down sugar absorption and improves glucose metabolism. Bitter melon contains compounds that mimic insulin's effects in the body, making it a valuable tool for those looking to regulate their blood sugar naturally. But reversing diabetes is about more than just incorporating a few herbs into your routine. It requires a comprehensive lifestyle overhaul. Diet plays a critical role, and the focus should be on low-glycemic, nutrient-dense foods such as leafy greens, lentils, nuts, and seeds. These foods help maintain stable blood sugar levels while providing essential nutrients for overall health. Avoiding processed and sugary foods is equally important as they can cause blood sugar spikes and worsen insulin resistance. Regular physical activity is another cornerstone of reversing diabetes. Exercise increases insulin sensitivity, allowing your cells to use glucose more effectively. Even a simple 20-minute daily walk can make a significant difference. Strength training and aerobic exercises can further enhance your progress by improving muscle function and cardiovascular health. Stress is a silent contributor to diabetes, often overlooked in treatment plans. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which can interfere with insulin function and worsen blood sugar control. Incorporating mindfulness practices such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga into your routine can help reduce stress and support your journey to better health. Reversing diabetes is not a quick fix, but with consistent effort, the rewards are immense. By combining the healing power of nature, mindful eating, regular exercise, and stress management, you can take control of your health and live a vibrant, diabetes-free life.